Seiko is a brand that has redefined watchmaking for decades, offering a perfect blend of innovation, precision, and craftsmanship. Whether you're looking for a rugged dive watch, a sophisticated dress piece, or a heritage inspired timepiece, Seiko has something for every collector and enthusiast. In this video, we'll explore some of the best Seiko watches, highlighting their standout features, history, and why they deserve a place on your wrist. Let's dive in. Number 5. Seiko Prospex Alpinist. The Seiko Prospex Alpinist is a legendary timepiece built for adventure, blending rugged durability with refined aesthetics. Originally introduced in 1959 for Japanese mountaineers, the modern Alpinist stays true to its heritage while incorporating contemporary upgrades. Encased in stainless steel, the Alpinist features a distinctive rotating inner compass bezel, aiding outdoor enthusiasts in navigation. The sleek dial, available in various rich colors, is enhanced with luminous hands and markers for optimal legibility. A domed sapphire crystal adds a premium touch while ensuring scratch resistance. Powering the Alpinist is Seiko's in-house automatic caliber 6R35 movement, offering an impressive 70 hour power reserve. With 200-meter water resistance, it's ready for any terrain, from mountain trails to urban landscapes. Whether you're an explorer or a watch enthusiast. Number 4. Seiko Prospex 1968 Mechanic. The Seiko Prospex 1968 Mechanical Diver's reinterpretation pays tribute to Seiko's groundbreaking 1968 dive watch while integrating modern advancements in durability and precision. This timepiece embodies Seiko's rich diving heritage, offering a perfect blend of vintage inspiration and contemporary engineering. Housed in a robust 42 stainless steel case with a super hard coating, the watch is built to withstand extreme conditions. It features a unidirectional rotating bezel for precise dive timing, while the high legibility dial is equipped with large Lumibrite coated hands and markers for optimal readability underwater. Powered by the in-house Caliber 6R35 automatic movement, it delivers an impressive 70 hour power reserve, ensuring reliability during extended adventures. Number 3. Seiko King Watch. The Seiko King Seiko collection represents a legacy of precision, craftsmanship, and elegant design. Originally introduced in the 1960s as a rival to Grand Seiko, King Seiko watches were known for their high-quality movements, sharp case designs, and superior finishing. These timepieces symbolized Seiko's commitment to fine watchmaking and accuracy. Revived in recent years, modern King Seiko models pay homage to their vintage predecessors while incorporating contemporary advancements. The refined stainless steel cases feature clean, angular lines and Zratsu polishing, delivering a premium, distortion-free finish. The dials are exquisitely detailed, often featuring sunburst or textured patterns, paired with facete hands and applied markers for enhanced sophistication. Number 2. Seiko Prospex Alpinist Watch. The Seiko Prospex Alpinist is a legendary timepiece designed for explorers and outdoor enthusiasts. First introduced in 1959, the Alpinist was Seiko's first sports watch, built to withstand rugged mountain conditions while maintaining a refined aesthetic. This modern version carries on that spirit with a robust stainless steel case, a signature inner rotating compass bezel, and a highly legible dial with luminous markers and hands. The domed sapphire crystal enhances durability and clarity, while the screw-down crown ensures 200-meter water resistance, making it a reliable companion for both adventure and daily wear. At its heart beats the in-house Caliber 6R35 automatic movement, offering an impressive 70-hour power reserve for long-lasting precision. Number 1. Seiko Prospex Marine Master 1965 Diver. The Seiko Prospex Master 1965 diver is a modern reinterpretation of Seiko's first ever dive watch, the 62 MAS, which debuted in 1965. Built for professional divers, this timepiece merges vintage aesthetics with cutting-edge technology, staying true to Seiko's legacy in underwater exploration. Encased in high-grade stainless steel with a super hard coating, the watch offers a sleek yet durable construction. The unidirectional rotating bezel ensures precise dive timing, while the high-contrast dial, equipped with large Lumibrite coated markers and hands, guarantees excellent readability in low-light conditions. Powering the watch is Seiko's in-house Caliber 6R55 automatic movement, delivering a robust 72-hour power reserve. With ISO-certified 200-meter water resistance and a domed sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating, it's engineered for reliability in extreme environments.